What's up, everybody? And welcome to Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep, talking about the market with you every day right here at 9 a.m. And we appreciate you guys coming in, stopping in, taking the time. So when you do, please hit that like. It helps the channel. Smash it, kick it, punch it, elbow it. Do that for me and help us grow a little bit. We'll be talking about something that I think is pretty interesting is the Bitclout. And if you haven't heard of Bitclout, it's basically like a Twitter that you can support creators with buying into, investing into them, and they create their own coin. So they have their own creator coin, and you can invest into that person and basically believe that they're going to grow in the future. And so it's kind of cool. We'll be showing you that here in a little bit on how to maybe even set up your own coin if you'd like and do that. So we'll do that for you today. Well, welcome and good morning, everybody. I'm going to make sure I open up the chat today because the other day I forgot yesterday and I didn't have any volume. So hopefully there's volume today and hopefully you can hear me loud and clear. Please let me know if you guys have any issues. I'm going to open up the chat because I want to make sure that I can hear you, see your questions, answer them, and do all of that with you. So we hope you enjoy everything going on in the markets right now. You've got a crazy market. It's moving, it's shaking, it's grooving, and I'm glad. I'm excited to be a part of it. You're kind of having the futures sit at a little bit of a maybe a slight sell-off. I saw that right before we started here. We were leaking a little bit, but you know, maybe this is the time that we find some rotation on some of them beat down stocks. Maybe there's some companies out there that are worth a bid, you know, and maybe the ones that have been catching one lately are about to take a little bit of a dip. So if you've been lucky and you've been up 20%, 30% overnight in one day, maybe you want to start looking at taking on some profits and looking at correlations with the market on what moves negatively or positively with the SPY or with the QQQs, and you can find, you know, correlations in the market that will help you find entries on days like this when you can't find. Maybe, you know, yesterday was very low volume. We have probably today going to be another choppy day, and then we'll possibly see some big volume on Thursday or Friday maybe. But right now it seems as if we are basically hanging on to that big rally, but it's, you know, maybe we only got like 2 fingers left on the cliff there. So I think that we're going to take a little bit of a breather on some of the big moves that have been happening lately, but I'm looking into the future right now and trying to find setups. But we all know a trade starts when you enter the trade instantly right then. So if you're looking for a setup, it's not going to be months out. It's going to be on the weekly, the daily, and then you get into those setups and you actually find the fair value gaps and you find where there's probably a break of market structure that might give you an indication of what's going to happen in the future for this chart. But let's make sure that you guys are able to differentiate between what's going on out there with these screeners that we're going to pull up. So I'm going to pull up the charts after the newsletter. Let's get to the newsletter right now and get you guys going. We've got the daily newsletter here, 4/7/2021. Quote of the day: be prepared to invest in a down market and to get out in a soaring market, as per the philosophy of Warren Buffett. Got the bulls of the day: ENNV, THQS, MUDS, and HYLN. Bears list: PRAX, UAVs, HRMY, EBON. Daily news: we got futures trading flat this morning, hovering around all-time highs. We have the IMF expects the world economy to grow by 6% in 2021, up from its 5.5% forecast in January. We have Beyond Meat, BYND, announced the opening of a new manufacturing facility in China, its first outside the United States. Sunrun, the solar equipment company stock, added 2.3% in the pre-market after RBC initiated coverage with an outperform. We have watching on the list here: NEO, NIO, SOS, BLNK, and RKT. Sweet design from the Discord group. We love you guys. Keep it up. Let's get this thing updated. We need to get a new newsletter, some new graphics. I hope you guys can help out with that. Send some new stuff for us. We got to get this thing pertified again. Let's jump into the Bitclout. Welcome to Bitclout, everyone. If you go to bitclout.com, you can set up this. All you need is a phone number. They're going to send you a code. You put the code in, and then you set up your own creator coin. You can call it whatever you want. Call it, Joe Schmo's coin. Whatever you want. My coin, as of now, is called Jesse Kaler coin. And then we also have the Elite Trading coin. So we can go right in here. You can see my coin is currently priced at $12.27. Pretty cool. Got some people following, got some people invested in there. And then now it's time to pull up because I haven't looked at it yet this morning. Did we get anyone on the Elite Trading token? Oh, it's worth $3.39. It's still low. Love that. $3.39 over there at Bitclout, the Elite Trading company. Oh, I forgot. I haven't set up this on the desktop. It's only on my phone. So it will give you this. It'll give you a key, a custom key for your password. Make sure you save that. It's like a bunch of weird phrases. It'll be like cat, mouse, boat, jumps, sky, fall. It's like some weird little catchphrase. But make sure you save that, and it's pretty cool. Go ahead and pull up the screeners for the day. We had ACM on the list. ACN, all in the A's, obviously, because we're at the top of the list. CCIV's on there, or CCVI, sorry, Churchill Capital. Dick's, DKS, Dick's Sporting Goods. We had EPAM on there, ETN, Facebook, Fisker. Is the SPAC attack coming back? I've been seeing some SPAC names coming in, so maybe SPACs are coming. SOS rocketing. Did you guys see the SOS chart? Holy smokes, what is going on with this one? Someone called this out not too long ago. I think it was the Elite Trading Group. I'm not sure exactly who in the group brought this one up, but let me get this a little better for you. Oh, probably because I got to go to the charts. There we go. Now it's Purdy. All right, so look at this big surge right here. You just got a massive pre-market blast off. Congratulations on anyone holding the bag on that one. You got some monies back. Be careful, though. I mean, this is on the Reddit hype train. That was being told to short it like GME. They said, let's GME this, baby. Well, it worked a little bit. Let's see if it continues to go. I will probably be standing back on this one. I did already get in and out of this trade. So I'll be watching and seeing what happens with SOS because I like to be in the know. I don't have to be in the trade. Let's see. Let's look at what's a good one. What's a good one? What's a good one? We would talk about this one for a while. I want to see what it looks like again. I always keep watching work. It's been a consolidation station. 40 to 41.50. That's a nice little range there. So you've got good support down here. I don't like the entry and exit. I mean, possibly you've got a 41. You could probably put a stop here at 41.06 if I was entering this trade. And, see if you can maintain this gap here. But it's probably going to come back through, take this out, and then I'd like to be in possibly with a stop loss right between the middle of this move here, under 40.15 or so. Hoping it doesn't make a new low there on the dip, but we'll see. It might be in breakout mode. This does look like a nice chart. Broke past here. Yeah, I like work. Let's get into Let's check out the SPY. SPY 405.57. 384.20. 374. 384. Now we don't have one. We need to bring a new low in here. Is it going to be 405? I don't think so. What looks more realistic to me? 400 is just screaming out to you. I think 400 is the next level. My shoulder hurts. Sorry, sometimes I forget I'm in that little square down there. Ugh. I need to go to the chiropractor. Alright, we need some tickers, man. What do we got? What's in the chat today? We got anything in the chat? What's up, Chase? Good morning. We've got, let's look at QS. That's a good one. QS. QS, charge, QuantumScape. What do we got here? QuantumScape Corporation. Look at that big move from 40 to 49. Let's get in a little, dig a little deeper in here. I guess I could just do this. I thought I could. The anticipation. Enhance. 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 Enhancing. Alright, so what do we have here? This thing looks pretty good. You've got support. You've got resistance. This could be an easy trade. Stop loss of about $2. That's going to be an easy one. I'll be playing that one today most likely. I like work. I like QS. Ford. I know people like this one. Ford had a nice little rally lately. Lots of movement there. I like Ford. E-Bond. E-Bond. $5 to $5.75 ish. Had a complete sell-off here from the bear short report or whatever that came out. So we'll see how that plays out. Place that there and we'll get you an update. We'll be watching that play and see if that works. Man, look at that tick. That was pretty. All right, so had a good day today. Good setup this morning. Let's get into the live trading chat in the Discord server and bust out some trades today. Let's make some moves. Let's get in and out early today because I want to enjoy the weather before it gets nasty out. And I like doing this trading thing because I don't have to do this all damn day. Just for a little bit. Find a setup in the morning. Get in and get out. Scalp is the game. Trading's the name. Elite